Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox two items actually from the same brand, which I ordered only last week, and I was surprised that after 2 days, it arrived at my address in Metro Manila. And I was happy about the turnout of this address. And I'm going to present it to you right now. This is the box. It's a big box, and it is wrapped in bubble wrap. And I was surprised that it is fully packed, and it is covered with black bag. And it's only now that I understand why these online stores have to cover the package in black wrap, so that the forwarder or the mover or the one that who would deliver this item could not see what is inside the wrapper. So I had a very bad experience when I sent an item somewhere in the south, in Visayas and Mindanao, and the item did not arrive, and it was not received by the recipient. You know why? Because the item was exposed, and the delivery guy got interested of the item to the point that he did not deliver the item. And I complained, but I got a negative response from the forwarder, and it's only now that I really understand why these online stores have to cover or don't give any chance for the delivery guy to see what is inside of the parcel. So we're going to unbox this item so that you can see what is inside of this package. And that's my story about this package that I received a few days ago. And I was happy with the delivery, to the point that I gave a 5-star feedback to the one who sent me this item. Open with my Swiss knife. Aside from the fact that the parcel was wrapped in a black plastic bag, it was also placed in a big box. And we have the receipt. By the way, the item came from Converse at the Power Plant Mall store, and it is very near to my address in Metro Manila. And it took them only about a few hours, maybe 1 or 2 hours, to deliver this item. And I'm glad I was able to receive this. By the way, I ordered these items from the online store of Converse Philippines. It's my first time to order from them, and I was very satisfied of their service. This is actually, I ordered two pairs of Converse shoes, which are the Chuck 70, and we'll bring out the first one, bring out the second pair. So first is this Chuck 70 Converse in leather. It's a leather Chuck 70, and I'm going to open it for you to see it. This is it looks like a khaki color. It's light brown, and the size of this Converse shoes is size in male is size 9. This is usually my size in Converse, and this is size 11 for women's. So I got this. It is Jack 70, and it's colored light brown, and this is the leather. This is my second leather shoes from Converse. Nice, very beautiful. The second item is another Chuck 70 sneakers in size 9 for men's and size 11 for women's. And we're going to open the box. And this is the color. It is a purple color. Yeah, and this is my first time to have this kind of color. By the way, this was on sale for I think the price of this is 4,000 something, but it was reduced to 3,800 I think, and the other one is 4,000 plus. But on the checkout, I was surprised. I was able to get another discount of 1,500. So the total price of this two pairs of Converse shoes is only 5,000 pesos, which in turn equivalent to 2,500 pesos for one pair of Converse shoes. Nice deal. Yeah, I was able to save a lot uh, instead of buying it in the store here in the Philippines. So I think there's no need for a fit video for this because I've been wearing this kind of shoes for the past years already, and it is a very, very nice pair for my selvage denims and other casual wear, which is cheaper than getting or ordering boots or leather boots. So I got the leather one, and of course this canvas. Thank you for watching, and this is my today's rendition of my unboxing videos for my attire and items that I really like in using. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.